All right, number 6. It costs 50 cents to download an individual song and $4 to download an album. Jada has $15 total to spend downloading music. So we need to complete this table and show the 3 different ways we can make 15 using this rule. Okay? So I kind of set this up with the rules of the problem. So I know the songs are 50 cents each. So that means each means multiplication. So 50 cents times 6, 50 cents times something, 50 cents times 30. And then I know every album is $4 to download. So 4 times something, 4 times 1, and 4 times something. Equals 15. I can't spend anything more than that. And I know I add them together because it says putting them together. Okay? So I need to think about what's half of 6. Half of 6 is 3. So I spent $3 on songs. Or I got 3 songs, I guess. So if I bought 3 songs, how many albums can I buy? Well, if I cover up this with my fingers, I think 3 plus something is 15. 3 plus 12 is 15. So I need to make 12 under my fingers. 4 times what is 12? 4 times 3. Okay, next one. Half of something plus, well, 4 times 1 is 4. So if I take away 4 from 15, I'm at 11. So half of something is 11. Half of what number is 11? Well, if you don't know, that's 11 times 2. 22 songs. Alright, then I've got 50 cents times 30. Alright, well, what's half of 30? 15. I've already spent all my money, so I can't buy any albums, so this is a 0. So now if I think of these as points, my first point would be 6 and 3. My next point is 22 and 1. My next point is 30 and 0. Because this is a table, right? Yes, it's S and yes, it's A, but I'm thinking of it as X and Y. The S and the A, though, matter because those are the variables I have to use in this problem. Okay? So then B says, write an equation relating to the number of songs, S, and the number of albums, A. I know it has to look like Y equals something. Okay? So then I go back up to my rule. Well, what was I doing every single time? 50 times something plus 4 times something equals 15. Okay, well, my 50 cents was times the songs, S. So that means Y equals 0.50 S plus 4 times the albums, which was A. You have to read the problem. You have to use the variables they gave you because they told you to. If you put X and Y and all the things, I can't take that. Now, there is a problem with the way I wrote this, and I saw this on some of your tests, so I just want to make sure we clarify. I can't use Y because they told me what the total was, right? It doesn't make sense to have 3 different variables. I need my limiter. I know that I can only spend $15. So my equation should be 15 equals 0.50S plus 4A. Okay, that's what you needed to get full credit of that problem. C, sketch a graph of the solutions to your equation. Okay, solutions, right here. You already have them. These are the points. This is what you should have put on your graph. That's it. Some of you were just making stuff up, and then you had a positive slope, and I was like, what is happening? So, using these points, okay, if I say S is 6, well, I need to see which axis is S. Songs, so this is my S. It literally says S. Albums, it literally says A. Okay, so when songs is 6, A has to be 3. That's what we found. So I'm going to go up to 3. Then when I had 22 songs, I could buy 1 album. So I go over to 22, up to 1. Then I got, okay, I can buy 30 songs, but 0 albums. So I'm going to cross right on the X. Then to your best ability, you would connect those points. Okay, now a lot of you just want to go across the Y, and that's okay, but to get to the Y, that means that we would have had to have 0 for the songs. Okay, so if I say 0 for songs, okay, 0 plus something times 4 equals 15. This is going to be 3.75. Okay, which isn't possible, but it is still where it's going to cross. So if you roughly had it like here crossing, or you crossed it like 4, I counted it good, okay? But you didn't need it. You could have just connected the solutions that you had. But this is what you needed to have in order to get it correct and get all the points. Let Ms. Grew know if you have any questions.